Obsidian versus Logseq versus Rome, best note-taking app in 2025. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into three of the most popular note-taking apps for 2025, Obsidian, Logseq, and Rome Research. All three are great tools for knowledge management, but they offer different approaches. Let's compare them. Obsidian is a powerful note-taking app that operates on a local-first model. It uses markdown files, meaning your notes are stored directly on your computer. This gives you full control over your data, which is a big plus for privacy-conscious users. Obsidian excels in linking your notes together, allowing you to build a personal knowledge base with ease. Its strength lies in the ability to create backlinks, making it easy to create a network of connected ideas. It also supports plugins, allowing users to customize their experience and extend its functionality. However, while it's flexible, it may require some time to learn, especially if you want to take full advantage of its features. Logseq. Logseq is a knowledge management tool that focuses on outlining and organizing information using a block-based structure. It's open source and offers both local and cloud syncing options. Like Obsidian, Logseq is centered around a markdown-based approach, but it differentiates itself with its outliner-style interface. One of Logseq's standout features is its ability to organize your notes hierarchically, making it perfect for structuring ideas, research, and project plans. It's a great choice for people who prefer to work with outlines and atomic notes. Logseq also offers strong support for personal knowledge management, making it a top contender for long-term note-taking. However, it's less customizable than Obsidian in terms of plugins and integrations. Rome Research. Rome Research is an advanced note-taking app designed for connecting and exploring your thoughts. It is built around the concept of bidirectional linking, allowing you to easily create relationships between different notes. Unlike Obsidian and Logseq, Rome operates on a cloud-based system, so your notes are always synced across devices. Rome excels in its ability to map out your thoughts and visualize connections between ideas. It's perfect for people who need a highly flexible and dynamic workspace. However, Rome is subscription-based, and its cloud-first approach means you're dependent on an internet connection for full access to your notes. It also requires a bit of a learning curve to get used to its unique interface and flow. Comparison. Obsidian is ideal for users who prioritize data control and customization. It's great for building a personalized knowledge base with local storage. Logseq is perfect for users who prefer a block-based outliner approach. It's excellent for structured note-taking and personal knowledge management. Rome Research shines if you want a cloud-based, interconnected network of notes with a focus on linking ideas. It's ideal for people who like to visualize their thoughts in a highly dynamic way. Conclusion: if you value local storage and customization, go for Obsidian. If you prefer a structured, outline-based approach to organizing your notes, try Logseq. If you need a cloud-based, interconnected note-taking system, Rome could be the right choice for you. Let us know which one you'll be using in 2025. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and comparisons. See you next time.